All right, so we just installed this Trane heat pump in this house. I'm gonna show you a walkthrough of everything that we did. Now, this particular customer, they haven't had AC for 4 years. The AC hasn't worked for 4 years. And underneath, a lot of animals had gotten under there because the crawl space door actually was left open for 4 years. And the animals went and ripped all the ductwork apart, not to mention the ductwork was old anyway. So they've been running on window units, and this year they decided to go ahead and get it fixed. So we pulled all the ductwork out and put new efficient ductwork in, and also a brand new Trane heat pump. So if you look at it, here it is. It's really, really quiet. It's small, it's compact. Now, what this unit will do is it'll control the humidity and the temperature in the house. It knows, so it's smart. It'll run even if it cools, because humidity is really what makes us feel hot. Your house can be 72, but if the humidity is high, you get that clammy, muggy feeling. This unit will actually take that into account. Even if it reaches the temperature, it'll know the humidity and it'll slow the fan down so that it doesn't make you too cold, but it'll remove that humidity so you get that nice, crisp, clean air feeling that you know comes along with air conditioning. Take a look at these ducts. So here's the old AC, the one that hasn't been on for 4 years. It's gone. It's an old Goodman. It's done with. There's the condenser right there. It's got vines growing in it. It's got microbial growth in it. And you can see the old metal ducts. Now, I like the old metal style because they don't have a lot of air friction. Unfortunately, they didn't seal a lot of these back in the day, so a lot of the air just goes in the crawl space. We replace it with this duct here, and we make sure that it's nice and stretched out so there's a minimum air restriction. So this customer hasn't had air conditioning in 4 years, and we are going to go in and let them know that they have central air for the first time in almost half a decade. AC Man Heating and Air, thanks for watching.